Most all new Volvos and everything, even back into the early 90s, uses Torx fasteners. A lot of interior stuff is held on with Torx fasteners of varying sizes. We carry a different set of tools for these depending on how much you're going to use them and what you're going to need them for. The most common one used is a T25 size, and because of that, we carry this, just a single Torx 25 driver. So if you're just doing basic stuff and need to take some panels off and stuff, this might be all you need. I have one of these. I keep it in the glove box of my S70 because it's the most common one I need, and I almost always need it on the inside of the car. That's what this one's good for. Now, if you like something that's a little more versatile, we have this version, which is from Great Neck, really cool tool, and it has fold-out Torx pieces of varying sizes. Also very small, easy to use, could keep this in the car, keep it in the toolbox, whatever. Gives you a lot more variety of things to get to. Now, if you want to do some more advanced work and you need a little more leverage, we also carry this set. Has a bigger variety. These ones are a little easier to get some more leverage on if you need to on some of the bigger Torx fasteners, whereas the folding one doesn't allow you to do that. So any of these three will work. Which one's best for you depends on your applications. If you have questions on these or want to see some more detailed pictures, check out our website, ipdusa.com.